Grandpa, where can I find a dinosaur?
That depends, Emma. Do you mean a real dinosaur?
Yes, a big one with sharp teeth.
Ah, those dinosaurs lived a very long time ago. They're not alive anymore.
Oh, so I can't see one?
Not a living one, but you can discover dinosaurs in other ways.
Really? Where?
You can visit a museum and see real dinosaur bones called fossils.
Fossils?
Yes, they are the remains of dinosaurs that turned into stone over millions of years.
Wow, so they're like dinosaur clues?
Exactly. Scientists use those clues to learn what dinosaurs looked like.
Can I find one myself?
Sometimes people find fossils in special places, but it takes a lot of patience and a bit of luck.
That sounds like a treasure hunt.
It is a bit like that.
So I can discover dinosaurs, just not walking around?
That's right. You discover them through fossils, museums, and learning.
I still wish I could see one roar.
Me too, Emma. But using your imagination is the next best thing.
Okay, I'm going to imagine a big one.
Make sure it doesn't chase us.
Mini sounds for growing minds!
Where can I find a dinosaur? Are they hiding behind my door?
Dinosaurs lived in lands long gone, in forests deep and hills so strong. Their bones are hiding down below in rocks and dirt from long ago. Dig, 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 find the past. Dinosaur bones can really last. Where do we go to dig so deep? In special spots where fossils sleep. Dino diggers use their tools, brushing gently, that's the rule. In deserts dry or mountain stone, they look for clues and ancient bone. Now I know where dinos stay, deep in the earth, from far away.